One night I had dinner with General Eric Shinseki, who was head of the United States Army, 4-star general. We were surrounded by 2 to 4-star generals. He said, "Marshall, who's your favorite customer?" I said, "Sir, my favorite customer is smart, dedicated, hardworking, driven to achieve, creative, entrepreneurial, arrogant, stubborn, know-it-all, never wants to be wrong." I said, "Sir, do you think any of the generals in this room may fit such a description?" He said, "Marshall, we got a target-rich opportunity." Well, if you're a little stubborn, let me give you one guideline to help you get better. Never start a sentence with no, but, or however. Somebody talks to me, I say, "No," what do I say? "Shut up. What's but mean?" Disregard everything you said, and however is a fancy word for but. Find my clients $20 every time they do that. I'm talking to one of my clients, he said, "But Marshall," I said, "That's free. If I talk to you again, you start a sentence with no, but, or however, we're going to find you $20. He said, "But Marshall, 20, no, 40, no, 60, 80, 100. He lost $420 in an hour and a half. At the end of the hour and a half, he said, "Thank you." I didn't realize I did that over and over and over again. He became so much better at listening just by learning this one thing. Never start a sentence with no, but, or however.